Hello, everybody. Today is Sunday, November the 30th, 2014. My name is Michael Wright, and this is the outlook for the week ahead. Just before going forward, please do pause the recording and read over our risk disclaimer. Okay, let's jump right into the markets, okay? Um, at the end of last week, we were looking at a short Euro CAD. It ended up turning out to be a false breakout to the downside. We broke back to the downside, then we actually shot right back above, so negating the setup. But um, going forward now, we are looking at a couple of pairs, to say the least. One is actually looking for longs now on the Euro CAD. Now, the reason being is obviously the downside was a false break, but then we have a topside breakout. Okay, um, a topside breakout mixed with a retest. So as long as we hold above 1.4170, longs are indeed preferred. Looking also at the crosses, okay, one particular cross that we were glancing at earlier was the pound kiwi. Okay, um, do like the pound kiwi because we have tested support, respected support, and then have a bottom side wick, which is indicative of a reversal. Usually, when you have these long wicks, um, it does, like, basically you shot in one direction, but then really failed to hold momentum for that specific candle close. This specific candle close is 4 hours. So when you have these certain signal signs, that there are usually reversal cues, right? You see it again here on November the 8th. Okay, we had a big one on November the 28th with the high of 2.10, and now also we have another big one here on October the 16th. Excuse me. So very similar cues. You can look back in price action and see a lot of these instances. So with that paired with the bottom side support holding, we now look for at least a move towards the next key resistance area. That resistance area is about 2.0570. Okay, before, in my opinion, reversal back to the downside. All right, so that's the pound kiwi. We can also look at the pound dollar, right? The pound dollar, more so on a daily time frame. Okay, on the daily time frame, okay, we are still capped by 1.5765. Okay, has really been a southbound journey this whole trip so far, but until we really break that 158 area, downside still remains. And downside, you can have targets as long as 158 holds towards 153. Right, if the top side ceiling does end up being breached, then I do not rule out a move towards 162 by mid-size January. Okay, for those options traders who are looking at time. Away from the pound dollar as well, we can also see Euro Kiwi as we take a glance at the pound Kiwi. Okay, right. So now, the Euro Kiwi very similar as well. Looking for longs, right? And the reason being is obviously we have already breached to the upside. Took out some clear levels, and do not rule out a move to new highs above 164.50. All right. This is the daily time frame indeed, and after 164.50 is clearly breached, then watch out for maybe even a longer term swing with the Euro Kiwi. From this daily time frame dating back towards 2008, it was really around 2011 that we start to see some clear divergence. Really haven't made not that big of a headway in terms of the time period. Okay, but a if I were to count this, this would be A, B, W, X, and then looking for a Y towards 180. Okay, couple of years for that movement, but so long as this bottom side does indeed hold, okay, then a longer term swing for the Euro Kiwi is ideal. All right, so let's stop there. Focusing in really on the pound Kiwi first to kick off the month of December. All right, and then we'll see how things progress. Thank you all for watching the outlook for the week and month ahead. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email us at info@globalfxclub.com. Cheers and good luck trading.